today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can make an amazing Afro swing type beat in 2026. So without wasting time, let's just go right into our DAW. I saw this video online of a lady singing, and I just decided to switch it up and, make a beat to it. So I'm just going to play the beats. Yeah, so it's just a very short vibe, just about 30, I think 45 seconds. But here you can hear how groovy the bass is. You can hear how groovy the drums are. So the first thing you need to get is your sound selection. I've talked about sound selection a lot. You need to have the right sound. Basically, make sure your kick is the right kick, your snare, your percussion are the right one. And then when it comes to the mixing, you are definitely going to do little or nothing. So for the drums, right, I have my kick. Can see how punchy the kick is. So I have the very punchy kick, and I'm using this Jeb NS kick. It's a very, very punchy kick, and you have the kick. And for the kick, I don't really bother about it, because you can define how you want your kick to be. You can decide you want your kick to just come in once. You can say you want your kick to come in every on every beat. It just depends on how you want it to swing, right? But yeah, this was my choice. Yeah, then I have this percussion groove, which is also like a hi-hat roll. Yeah, just this. I think it was something like this. Yeah, but I just tightened it up and I layered this with my kick. So it's actually playing the same thing the kick is playing. So just to give the kick a little bit of high end. So the kick and the hi-hat together, we have this. Because I didn't just want the kick to just be alone. And if you can see, I'm not using any swing on this. So all the swing was just done by the percussion itself. So we have this, the kick and the snare. Then for my choice of rim, I have this rim. With the rim shot, I have this. Yeah, then next thing I added some percussions. You have some percussion. These are just random percussion. Yeah, so you can see these I've manually shifted it. So if you can see, we don't have them on the grid, just shifted it. So that's how you have that swing. Yeah, so with this, the percussion, and what we have so far, we have this. And these are just percussions from the Jeb pack, Yeah. So you can see this also, this is not quantized. So just try to shift your stuff manually. It's just gonna give it that swing that you need. Then next thing is this percussion groove, and this is what is giving it like the groove. I got this from Splice, some percussion sound like. You can see how it's giving it that swing. So let's come over to this part. So let's bring in the vocals. Hey girl, I want to pop body, reach your body, they go. Only you if you be like it. Yeah, so you can see how that's everything for the drums. Then we have this is just a hi-hat. Just so with that. Hey girl, I want. Yeah, then also this percussion. Yeah, like a shaker. It's a shaker. So together, everything for the drums, we have this. And this is so groovy. And if you want this one shot and also the percussion groove that I use on this beat, I'm going to drop it in the Patreon. So you definitely want to be in the Patreon so you have access to this amazing one shot and the percussion groove. So together. And basically that's everything for the drums. Then the next thing is the chord. So for the chord, just using a very simple chord. I think from the 2, just going from the 2 to the 3. I think so. Yeah, just from the 2 to the 3. I'll have this. Yeah, nice, very nice popular chord progression. So I have this. Then I just added on that layer of the chord, and for this I'm using a glide. So for the chord, I'm using SKY keys, which is the default preset, the about time preset. Very nice preset, I love it. Then I'm using glide of peculiar sound, the dope sign 1, just to give it that glide. So all our chords with the glide, and I play some chords, the same chord. Yeah, so it's the same chord progression, but I just played it an octave higher. So when I played the lower octave, this is just one way you can use to create some nice melody on your Afro swing. You have to play the lower octave, you just, strum the higher octave. So it's just the same thing. The same thing. So if I put this in context now, I don't know hear what it sounds like. It just fills up those empty spaces you have there. And then what else? The next thing is the bass. So for the bass, you can play the bass. I just sent it to him, and they play some nice groovy bass using clip time bass. So we have this. Obviously, and then to play some chords. So I have these nice piano chords, just to see the same chord progression, just to fill up the spaces. Then the next thing, I think that's basically all. So you can see how we have a very nice groovy Afro swing. All you just need to do, make sure your drums, once you can have a nice drum groove, trust me, whatever melody you put in is going to just work well. Melody sloop, I think it's a trumpet. Just listen to this for this. You don't need to have a vocalist on this already just sounding nice on its own. You just need to know how you chop up your samples, and it's just gonna fit well. Most times when you get samples, don't just try to use it the way it is. Try to flip it around, chop the sessions you want and the sections you like, and you're gonna have something amazing. All right, then the next thing, when it comes to the mixing, like I always say, I don't really do much when it comes to the mixing. But on my master, I have my master plan, because it just glues everything, tightens it up together, put everything together. I always use the glue preset. So without this, it still sounds nice, but it just makes it really heavy to have this. Yeah. Then it just, you can feel the kick, you can see the way the kick is hitting. Yep, and that's basically everything. So once you have a nice mix and you apply master plan, it is gonna solidify everything and bring the beauty out. And so this is just how you can just easily create a very nice groovy Afro swing beats. So let's just listen to this vibe again. I think I'm gonna play the vocal. But yeah, if you want to get like access to the one shots, you want to get access to the nice loops we have here, in case you don't have them, I'm gonna drop it in the Patreon. So you definitely want to go there and go check out what we have on the Patreon. And also, like I said, we love to use AI I dropped an amazing course, or I'm working on an amazing course, which is set to drop very soon. And that course teaches how you can, create amazingly using AI, and how you could create nice beats, how you could create nice, amazing visuals, how you could create nice AI music video. All is in that course, and it's already available on the Patreon. So if you are in the Patreon, you should have access to those materials for yourself. So if you got something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. See you guys in the next one.